Uy! Hindi pala kayo. Hinaan natin. Sorry. Alright. Badass vlog. 103 na yata. So, today, we'll be unboxing the FPS care package. So, earlier today, I received this. And I believe it was sent out to all of FPS employees during this pandemic. Kakatapos lang natin mag-daily workout. Magsha-shower na ako. Pero naisipan ko muna mag-vlog. Sorry, hinati ko muna yung mukha ko ha. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and use a knife. So, be careful when using a knife. Parental guidance. Oh shit. Hirap ito. Ayan. Alright, so be careful when using a knife, especially sa mga viewers yung mga bagets. Anyway, there you go. So work life. Okay, work life. Drive on work life. So let's see what's inside. Bulaga. Let's try to read this one. So first, in fairness kahit kaninang inabot sa akin ng makalat or pahiga, hindi tumapon yung laman. So surprise, FPS celebrates 3 years in the Philippines. Thank you for thriving with us and we look forward to more excellent years ahead. Alright, there you go. So accountability kit, be a responsible citizen, find an opportunity to distress, grace kit, and an integrity kit. We trust you to be just as productive at home. Stay alert with our FPS mug, cold brew, and drip coffee bag. Let's keep calm with the help of this lighted humidifier and lavender scent, and wear a face mask and face shield whenever appropriate. Wondering where the excellence kit is? It's been with you all along. We wouldn't have reached 3 awesome years without you. Thanks for being part of FPS. So shout out sa company ko, FPS Full Potential Solutions Philippines. I've been here since 2018, September 24. So it's been 2 years. And got nothing but love and respect with the leadership team, you know, sa lahat na natutunan ko doon. And I'm growing personally and professionally. So let's try to open more of these, okay? So let's start with the Thrive On mug. Alright, so may pa-mug. Thank you, FPS. Oh yes. So lalagyan na ng kape or green tea. Wala siyang hawakan. Pero, nevertheless, it's cool. Alright. So, tabi muna natin siya dito sa gilid. Or lagay natin siya dito. There. And then, meron tayong alright, dagdag sa ating collection ng face mask. Thrive On face mask, Full Potential Solutions. So, thank you, FPS. What else? Ito. Oh. Ewan ko, meron ganyan sa company nyo Pero meron kaming cold brew coffee. Alright, lalagay ko na to sa ref. Mga solid to Cute. Hindi man ako pala kape kasi nagpa-palpitate ako tsaka nahirapan ako matulog. Pero let's save it for future use. Drink when sleepy nakalagay. Drink when sleepy. Stig to Parang sarap gumawa ng coffee brand bigla. Alright. So meron tayong USB color humidifier. Ano natin kung paano ito gamitin. Kasi nakita ko yung mga ibang office mate ko, ino-on na nila agad So I guess it's fully charged na. Charge pa. Ano ba ito? Stigo H2O. Walang battery, di umiilaw So, charge ko muna to. Tsaka na natin ito gamitin. May instructions naman dito, so later na. Alright. Meron tayong humidifier, meron tayong Thrive On mug, meron tayong face shield, face mask, at coffee, cold brew coffee. So what else is inside this one? Fairness sa packaging Oh, may face shield pa. Never leave home without it. And just announce dito sa amin na hulihin kapag wala kang ganyan. So be extra careful. Okay, what's this? I guess this is the scent for the humidifier thing. I don't know, maybe. I think so. And last but not the least, Extra Boost Black Drip Coffee. So drink when sleepy. In fairness sa company ko, ayaw nilang tutulog-tulog sa company, kaya you know, shout out to my leaders for helping us grow and thrive, excel, and do things with integrity, accountability, and grace. Shout out kay FPS ulit. So doon nagtatapos yung ating, wala na laman. Doon nagtatapos yung ating unboxing ng Thrive On Care Package. Pardon me if I am topless. Maliligo na ako kakatapos ko lang mag-workout. Medyo putok-putok pa yung ano natin. But yeah, dun na nagtatapos yung vlog natin ng unboxing. So I'm about to take a shower na and start our shift. It's a Wednesday shift. I'm gonna start my day with call listening. I'm with the nesting team pala. So I'm gonna start my day with call listening and write down observations so that when we coach later, everything is gonna be smooth and seamless. So happy Wednesday. Thanks for watching Badass Vlog. Time for me to go to the shower. See you later. That's how I control this feeling you keep giving. You can come get me too. Baby, it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby, boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is speaking that. Uy! Hindi pala kayo. Hinaan natin. Sorry. Alright. So kakaligo lang natin. Bukas yung lava lamp natin doon sa gilid para maganda yung vibe. 8:30 pa lang. 8:40. So, iniisip ko kung sige na nga. Testingin na natin yung humidifier. Naaaliw ako, ang daming office mates sa FPS na nagpo-post na umuusok at maraming kulay eh. Anyway, tinan natin. Basta samahan nyo lang ako sa mga vlogs and marami pa tayong i-upload soon. Maya magdadamit na ako. Tapos I'll just configure the humidifier thing. Lalagay natin siya dito para maganda yung vibe. We'll see. See you later. Too bad hindi siya naka-charge at maikli yung USB wire. So I guess I couldn't use it. Next time na lang. Alright, epic fail. Kailangan ko pa yatang i-charge yun, yung humidifier. So bukas na lang. Binakita nyo naman nila yung tubig. Supposedly papaanda rin ko. Tapos binindot ko, hindi gumana. So binali ko na lang sa box. Tomorrow ko na lang papaanda rin ng umaga. Para tomorrow night. Kasi we'll be having our pre-shift huddle ng 9:30. So just a few minutes from now. Magdadamit na ako. And we're about to start our day. Again, thank you for watching. Marami pa tayong badass vlog na paparating. Shoutout sa mga FPS homies natin, my leaders, my mentors, everyone. Pardon again my topless vlog. But yeah, flex ko lang yung workout natin. Copy project in the house, yo. Watch out soon. So music muna tayo while waiting for the shift to start. And magko-call listening muna ako to make it productive para mamaya dire-diretso na lang. So yun lang. If you need opportunities, you know, our company pays very well, and at the same time we offer unlimited commissions. So if you have sales background, or ideally if you have like a B2B sales experience, that's a plus. But if you have like the minimal sales experience, we definitely can help you out. You know, let's cross the bridge when we get there. And send me an email lang, benji.arceo@oomabiz.com, benji.arceo@umabiz.com. You know, sunod-sunod yung waves natin hanggang December na yan. And hopefully you know, as soon as this pandemic is over, when things get back to normal at bumalik na tayo sa offices, you know, I get to see you. So for now, subscribe to the channel. Upload lang tayo ng vlog. Watch out for more. Take it easy.